Sa video natin today, pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-run ng TikTok live shopping events to boost sales. What's up guys? Ako si Ashley, and if you ever wondered how some brands and creators are turning TikTok views into actual sales, ito yung pinaka-powerful na way para gawin yon. Ang totoo niyan, hindi lang about funny videos or trending dances ang TikTok. Mabilis na siyang naging isang serious shopping platform. Live shopping gives you the chance to connect with your audience in real time, showcase your products, and of course, drive sales all without your customers ever leaving the app. Today, i-walk through ko kayo kung paano talaga siya gumagana, ano yung mga kailangan para makapagsimula, and whether or not it's worth your time. What TikTok live shopping is. So, yung TikTok live shopping, basically isa siyang way para dalhin yung store mo mismo sa isang live video. Think of it like the old school QVC or home shopping network, pero imbes na nag-flip ng channel sa TV, nagsascroll sila sa TikTok. When you land on your live, they can see your products displayed right on the screen. Pwede sila magtanong sa comments at bumili agad. Hindi na nila kailangan umalis ng TikTok o tandaan pa yung website URL mo. Lahat nangyayari na mismo sa loob ng app. This matters because marketing in every extra click usually means fewer sales. If someone has to click out, load a site, tapos magta-type pa ng info nila, karamihan dun susuko na lang. With live shopping, nawawala na yung friction na yan. Pwedeng mag-decide yung mga tao on the spot. All their excitement is still high. And for creators or small business owners, it levels the playing field. Hindi mo kailangan ng malaking marketing budget to make sales. Kailangan mo lang yung product mo at ang kakayahang makipag-connect sa mga tao ng authentic. Mga key features ng TikTok live shopping. Ngayon, i-breakdown natin yung mga main features na talaga napaka-useful sa TikTok live shopping. Number 1 is product pinning. During your live, pwede ka mag-pin ng product sa screen para lagi siyang visible. Imagine you're selling jewelry. You can hold up a necklace and talk about the details and pin it so viewers can tap and buy immediately. Nakafocus talaga yung attention nila sa kung ano yung showcase mo. Number 2 is real-time engagement. Ang part nito makes live shopping pretty special. The chat is right there alongside your video. Ibig sabihin, you can answer questions instantly. At kung may magtanong, may iba bang kulay ng shirt na yan, pwede ka mag-reply in real time at ipakita pa mismo. That kind of back and forth is what turns viewers into buyers because they feel seen at pinapakinggan sila. Number 3 is product catalog integration. Bago ka mag-live, pwede mo nang i-upload yung buong product catalog mo sa TikTok shop. Once you're live, you can pull from the catalog seamlessly, wala nang panic, o pag-drop ng link sa comments. Built-in na lahat at connected na siya. Number 4, yung on-screen shopping bag. Isa pang sobrang cool na detail, yung shopping bag icon na nakikita ng viewers habang naka-live ka. They can browse all the products you've linked while still watching you. Sa paraan na yan, if you're talking about multiple items, kaya nilang i-explore yon ng mga yon sa sarili nilang pace. Number 5, analytics and reporting. After matapos yung live mo, bibigyan ka ng TikTok ng detailed insights so makikita mo kung ilang tao ang nanonood, how long they've stayed, which product got the most clicks, and how many sales you've made. Ang data na to ay valuable dahil you can adjust your next live based on what worked and what didn't. Number 6 is yung replay button. Depending on how you set it up, your live can actually be replayed later. This means if someone missed it, they can still watch it and shop afterwards. It extends the life of your event beyond just the live moment. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa pros and cons ng TikTok live shopping. Marami talagang positives dito, but let's talk about the ones that really matter. Number 1 is high conversion rate. Dahil lahat nangyayari na mismo sa app, nababawasan mo yung steps mula sa panonood hanggang sa pagbili. That alone increases the chances of closing a sale. Number 2, trust and transparency. Seeing you live, holding the product, talking about it, even answering unplanned questions, trust is built. Kapag may trust, mas nagli-lead talaga yan sa sales. Number 3 is algorithm boost. Mas pabor ang TikTok sa lives at live shopping streams. Madalas nila itong pinapakita sa mga bagong audience, which means you're not just selling to your followers, you're also being discovered by people who have never seen your content before. Number 4 is immediate feedback. Malalaman mo agad in real time kung aling products yung talagang makaka-excite sa mga tao. If you hold up one item and the chat lights up with questions, you've definitely identified a winner. Number 5 is community and connection. Hindi lang siya tungkol sa transactions. Live shopping gives you a chance to connect with your community, answer questions, and make viewers feel like they're insiders. That really builds long-term loyalty. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa cons. Let's be real, walang perfect. Hindi rin exception to. May mga challenges pa rin talaga. Number 1 ay yung setup and preparation. You can't just roll out of bed and hit go live. Kailangan mo ng maayos na lighting, okay na camera angle, at may plano ka kung anong products yung i-feature mo. Kung wala lahat yan, your live will feel pretty messy. Number 2, smaller audiences at first. Kung wala ka pang strong TikTok following, posibleng medyo tahimik yung first few lives mo. Normal lang yan. Building momentum takes time. Huwag ka ma-discourage kung yung first event mo konti lang yung sales. Number 3, yung pressure ng pag-go live. Being on camera, live can feel intimidating, especially at first. So if you get nervous, you might stumble. But the good news is that TikTok audiences don't expect perfection. They value authenticity so much more than polish. Number 4 is limited control over the platform. Sa huli, TikTok pa rin ang may-ari ng platform. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng magbago yung features, fees, or rules anytime and you'll need to adapt quickly. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin yung pricing. So, hindi ka sinisingil ng TikTok para mag-host ng live shopping events. Walang upfront fees para magamit yung feature. Instead, they take a small commission on the sales you make through TikTok Shop. Yung exact commission depende sa product category mo. Ang importante dito, magbabayad ka lang kapag may actual sale ka na. Kaya low risk siya at madaling i-test. You don't need a huge advertising budget. You don't have to commit to a long-term contract. Pwede ka mag-run ng isang event, tignan kung kumusta yung result, tapos saka ka mag-decide kung worth it ba tong ulitin. Ngayon, kung gusto mo mag-start with TikTok Shop, may link kami sa description sa baba. With our link, you actually have a chance to get 50% off, refer girl fees for 30 days, and you can earn up to $1,000 in commission. Para makapag-join sa TikTok Shop, kailangan mong ilagay yung phone number or email mo. Pwede ka rin mag-sign up gamit yung TikTok, TikTok for Business, o kahit Google. If you want more information on live shopping, we'll go ahead and go to Creator and then Live Shopping. Then pwede mo na siyang i-check out. So, side note lang, para maging qualified, kailangan mong pumasa sa community guidelines nila. You need to be at least 18 years old or older, and you need to meet the amount of required followers. So, dapat mo bang i-try ang TikTok live shopping? If you're selling a product that's visual, demo-friendly, or benefits from explanation, talagang worth it siyang i-test. Kahit mga maliliit na creators, nakakahanap ng success dito kasi nire-reward ng platform yung interaction and authenticity. Kung hindi ka pa comfortable sa camera or your product isn't one that people need to see live, you might start by listing products in TikTok Shop first and then move into live events kapag ready ka na. Either way, if you want to get started and set up your TikTok Shop correctly, I highly recommend checking out the link down in the description below. Iga-guide ka noon sa buong process para ma-approve ka at makapagsimula ka na magbenta agad. Ngayon, bago tayo mag-wrap up, gusto ko lang talagang mag-dive sa ilang tips para mag-run ng successful na TikTok live shopping event. Running a TikTok live shopping event can be one of the fastest ways to connect directly sa audience mo. I-showcase mo yung products mo in real time at mag-generate ng sales on the spot. But like anything, success comes down to strategy and preparation. Ito yung ilang detailed tips para matulungan kang mag-host ng engaging at profitable. Number 1 is plan ahead. Huwag kang mag-go live without a clear plan. Make a list of the products you'll feature and decide the order you'll want to present them in. Isipin mo siya na parang show lineup. Yung pinaka-exciting o best-selling na product mo, unahin mo agad para ma-hook yung mga tao from the start. I-anticipate mo rin yung mga tao na posibleng itanong ng viewers mo. I-anticipate mo rin yung mga possible questions ng viewers mo. Isulat mo na yung product details tulad ng material, sizing, price, at kung paano siya gamitin para ready ka na agad sa mga sagot. The more prepared you are, the smoother the live will feel for your audience. Number 2 is gumawa ng hook. The first 30 seconds matter the most. Avoid starting with, "Hey guys," or small talk. Instead, mag-open ka gamit ng isang bold statement, isang problem na sinusolve ng product mo, o kaya isang surprise na benefit. Halimbawa, kung nahihirapan ka ng humanap ng moisturizer na hindi nagpapa-oily ng skin mo, this is it. Yung hook na dapat agad nakakagrab ng attention, nagpaparamdam sa mga tao na gusto nilang magstay. Number 3 is engage constantly. Tinuturing mo yung live bilang isang two-way conversation, hindi lecture. Magtanong ka sa viewers, banggitin mo sila by name, at sumagot ka sa comments nila in real time. Hindi lang nito mapapanatiling engage yung mga tao, nagbibuild din to ng trust and community. A live where viewers feel ignored will empty very quickly. A live where they feel seen will keep growing. Number 4 is mag-invest sa basics. Hindi mo kailangan ng mala Hollywood production, but you do need clarity. A ring light will ensure people can see you, yung tripod keeps your phone stable, at tahimik na environment helps your voice come through clearly. Yung maliliit na investments na to, sobrang laki ng difference sa kung gaano ka professional at ka-trustworthy yung dating ng live mo. Number 5, keep your energy up. Madalas, mas mahaba ang lives kesa sa typical TikTok video. Kaya sobrang important na hindi bumababa yung energy mo. If you sound bored or low energy, viewers are gonna tune you out. Stay upbeat, gumiti ka, at gawing conversational yung tono mo. Isipin mo, parang nag-host ka ng party, yung energy mo, yung nagsiset ng vibe ng buong room. do. Number 6 is to promote ahead of time. Ang isang magandang live, hindi yan basta bigla na lang nangyayari. I-promote mo siya sa TikTok feed mo, sa Instagram stories, o kahit sa email. Let your audience know that you'll be live and what they can expect. Give them a reason to show up tulad ng limited time discount, free shipping, or first look sa bagong product. Yung mga teasers nakaka-build ng anticipation at nagpapataas ng turnout. Number 7 is to repurpose your content. Kung matapos na yung live, hindi dapat doon nagtatapos yung content mo. I-save mo yung recording at i-cut mo siya into shorter clips para sa TikTok posts, Instagram Reels, or product demo sa website mo. One well-run live can turn into a week's worth of content that maximizes your effort and gives you evergreen material to keep selling long after the event is over. Now, as a bonus tip, gumawa ka ng sense of urgency. While not required, adding a sense of urgency helps you drive action. Mention limited stocks, special discounts available only during the live, o kaya exclusive bundles na hindi nila makukuha kahit saan. Urgency encourages viewers to buy now instead of waiting. Bago tayo mag-wrap up, gusto ko lang sabihin na alam ko kung gaano ka-overwhelming subukang intindihin kung paano magbenta online. There are so many tools, strategies, and platform out there, and it's easy to feel stuck. But TikTok live shopping is one of those features that gives you a simple entry point. Hindi mo kailangan ng napakalaking ad budget o isang buong team. You just need your product, your phone, and the willingness to show up. If you're ready to start selling on TikTok, don't forget to use our link down in the description below. Gusto ko lang din bagitin na affiliate links to, which means pwede kaming kumita ng maliit na commission pero wala namang extra cost from you. So kung pipiliin mo gamitin yung mga links namin, we just wanna thank you in advance for supporting our channel. Ang channel na to ay dedicated sa pagtulong sa'yo na mag-build ng mas smart na e-commerce store at ipakita ang mga best tools para mag-grow online. Kung parang bagay yan sa'yo at sa needs mo, make sure na mag-subscribe ka at mag-iwan ng comments o questions sa baba. Gusto naming makarinig ng thoughts nyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.